Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to install this Autometer Tachometer into my 2003 Jeep TJ. I had recently installed a 4.8 Ls Vortec motor, and originally what I did was purchase the Novak emulator, which I was unable to get it to work properly. So it's back to the drawing board. So if you guys would have watched in a previous video, I installed an oil pressure gauge, and now I just need to install the tach, and then I'll have every other gauge functioning as it should. So now let's see what's going to be in box. It says a big notice up top. This product may not work on all distributor list style ignitions as packaged. Special calibration or adapter may be acquired for installation. I do have HB tuners, so I may have to bust out that. Mounting hardware here. This is the tach, and this is the instructions. Remove cup by placing tachometer face down on a smooth surface. Remove the Phillips screw in the back and gently lift cup off to expose circuit board. We're going to set it up for 8-cylinder. Careful not to lose that screw. And then this here's going to lift up. According to this, that's set up as a 4-cylinder because the switch is up. Is that what it is? No, 8-cylinder must be. If white represents the switch, so must be set up to 8. So I'm gonna mount the tach, I think right about there. Next thing I gotta do for install is remove the tach emulator right here, which I'd custom built a bracket and powder coated. All that's a wasted cause now. And then this is my plug right here where all my wires are. I'm gonna utilize the plug and everything else. I'm just gonna cut the wires back right there. So in my setup, these are the wires I'm gonna end up using from the Novak emulator. The white is the tach signal. Now, I already have a pull-up resistor installed. If you do not have a pull-up resistor and you're gonna do this on an LS engine, you're probably 99% that you're gonna have to do that. This is my ignition on, and of course this black one is my ground. So there's my 3 wires, and these ones here were the crank and cam from the Jeep that I just taped off. So this is where people with OCD might start cringing. I got my wires set up here, so the ground is going to be connected to the blue and black. Green is the tach, and that's going to be connected to the green and white. And the red and white, which is ignition power and lights, I'm tying those together, and those are going to go to the red and blue, I believe it is. I'm going to use my soldering iron I love so much, the TS100. Heat shrinked and soldered, good to go. So now I ran the wires for the tach down to the side there, and I gotta run it through the firewall. So now that's left is to bolt it down to the dash. Wires are ready to be connected. You can, obviously you could solder or crimp them. I am going to solder all my connections. Last wire. So everything's connected. As of right now, I got a 50-50 chance that it'll work. All depends what I set the tach signal up in HP tuners last time I was playing around. The light's in a bad spot, but I know I got power. Oh, I think it is set up right. Now I'm just going to verify off the Android stereo I've installed in my Jeep. It says I'm at about 700. That's what I'm looking at right down there, about 700. everything's looking good. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of doing the RPM Tach install. Once again, if you're doing it on an LS motor, you're going to need a pull-up resistor to make this work, and you may have to program the Tach output in a program like HP Tuners as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video.